you, just let me go. My neighbor's dog is not letting me film today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here. We are in lockdown here in Portugal. We need to stay home and be responsible. The situation is quite bad. So I'm doing my part. I'm here in my pajamas. But the thing that we need is glam. And that's what we're gonna do today. So you know the drill. Grab your coffee, snacks, whatever, and let's get started. I filled my brows and I will now continue with the primer. Today I'm going to be using this NYX Shine Killer primer. For the foundation today I will mix this Kiko Full Cover 2-in-1 foundation and Revolution Pro Full Cover because the Kiko is a bit darker now for me, and I'll just mix the two of them. Let's blend this perfectly. For the concealer today I'm going to be using this Maybilline Fit Me concealer. Mine is in shade 15. My neighbors have their radio on and I can hear the music up here. I can live with or without you. Now let's set everything in place. I will use the Loreal Magic loose powder today. We're gonna let this bake while we do our glam eyes. So for today's video I'm gonna be using this Revolution Forever Dynamic Eyelure eyeshadow palette. It's actually a really nice palette. It has only 8 shades, but it is really beautiful, and I've enjoyed this kind of shades like burgundy and dark brown shades. I'm gonna start off with this color here. And I will push a little bit up towards to my crease. Now with a small blending brush, I'm gonna continue with this shade. Just try to blend the sharp edges. So tell me guys, how are you guys doing? This lockdown is not easy. If you live outside of Portugal, just comment down below how the situation is in your country. I will add a little bit more of this first shade, the darker one, just to give a little more depth here. The shades are really nice. They're quite pigmented. You need to build, but eventually, you know, you get there. Now I will continue blending with that second shade. Now I will go with this really light shade and just blend this upper part really close to my brow bone. I'll go with this shade again in this part here. Just try to blend this darker shade. I'm losing this darker shade, so I need to go again. This shade is really nice, like burgundy purple shade. Now I have some liquid glitter shades that I've been wanting to test. I got them from Maki Beauty. It's a pack of 3 LA Girl liquid glitter eyeshadow, Icon, the Epic, and Legendary. So for today's video, I will for sure use this Epic. This shade is amazing. This kind of colors I really like and enjoy. And maybe for the inner corner, I will go with the Legendary. I need to smell everything. Are you also this kind of person? Let's see. Okay, let's just apply. Oh wow, this is really pigmented. And now I will try to apply the Legendary just here to my inner corner. Woo! Guys, how amazing is this? It's not easy to use this applicator, so I will just continue with the smaller brush. It is amazing. I will apply again the Epic shade. I'll try to blend all of this together. Ooh, this is so amazing. It's really bright and shiny. What do we think, guys? Do you like this? I really like these shades actually. They are really pigmented and really glittery. I don't know if you can see it perfectly on camera, but it's really nice. I will do another eye and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, now let's take these off. Yeah. I'm just gonna wipe this powder off. Let's put some eyeliner. For today's video, I'm gonna be using the one and only NYX Epic Ink liner. This liner is amazing if you are a beginner or if you're struggling a lot with your eyeliner. This is an amazing tool for you because the point is really, really thin and it is so easy to apply. Since we're having this foxy moment going on, I will continue to my inner corner and just extend it. Okay, I exaggerated. Bear with me. Let's try to fix this. Okay, I think I saved it a little bit. Continue. Now making them look the same, that's the real challenge. Now I'm gonna go with this black pencil and just fulfill my waterline. Just fulfill the waterline and connect with the liner here. Are we liking this, guys? So what's happening here? I'm liking it very much actually, this foxy eye look. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use this color and this color, okay? Basically the same two colors that we used up. I will apply the darker shade first. And now with this lighter shade, I'm just gonna blend everything below. Now I will go back with this Legendary glitter and I will just apply a little bit here in my inner corner it's really pigmented actually, I forgot. It's too much. Oh my god, am I just making it worse? Just making a mess here. Now I'm gonna pop up a little bit of mascara until I finish the whole face, and then we're gonna pop up some falsies. I'm using this Kiko Milano Luxurious Lashes Maxi Volume Brush Mascara. For the bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Hean Luxury Sun of Egypt bronzer. I'm really liking this look, guys, and the glitters are amazing. It's so shiny. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the liquid eyeshadow is amazing, really. And now for the blush, since we're having this, you know, like cool tones going on here, I'm gonna be using this Avon True Color Luminous Blush. It's in the shade Soft Plum. I think the shade will, you know, like match this look because it's also like cool toned and it has a little bit of sparkles in it, so I think it will match nicely this look that we have today. Okay, did I overstep? It's too much, right? Okay, let's just calm down, bitch, calm down. Better. And for the highlighter, of course, one and only Goddess of Fate, I Heart Revolution. I love this highlighter, live for it. Oh, just look at this glow. Pop a little bit here, Cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose, and now with a smaller brush I'm gonna add a little bit here just to have this extra glow. For the lips, I'm gonna be using this NYX Lingerie matte liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade 02. It's also this kind of like purplish cool toned. I really like this lipstick because the applicator is really nice and it's really precise. So when I'm using this lipstick, most of the time I don't even need the lip liner. What's happening? What is this noise? My neighbors are really loud today, so... Now I will go with this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Skin Tight. I will add just a little bit here in the center, just to create, you know, this dimension. I'm liking this matte look, but I think we need a little bit of glow, so I will pop this Jeffree Star gloss. This one is in the shade Sky High. Oh my god. Girl, how amazing is this? And the smell. Oh my god, this gloss is amazing. I really like it. The final step, lashes, and for this video I will use this Eylure Enchanted lashes. I will put them off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm really liking it. I hope you like it too. I really like these burgundy purplish colors, you know, and the dash of, you know, glitters and this gloss. It made it a whole better. If you want to try this out and recreate, please just tag me on my Instagram. I would really like to, you know, see all of your works. These days with the lockdown and everything that is happening, I think we just need a little bit of, you know, fun, a little bit of distraction, and just forget about everything. So even if we are, you know, just here in pajama and everything, we can be, you know, we can look glam and just, you know, feel pretty and feel nice. And even though if we are just going to the market or just cleaning our house, I mean, why not? And this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm still in my pajamas and I'm just gonna clean my house and that's it. But, you know, I think we need this a little bit. Ooh. Products I use, I really like this Revolution eyeshadow palette. It is small, compact, but you have like all the shades that you need. I didn't get a chance to use the shimmers today, but I tried them on like a few days ago and they're really amazing. It's pigmented, it's really nice, it's small, it has mirror, so it's really everything that you need. The liquid glitters are amazing. The LA Girl liquid glitter eyeshadows are really amazing. Although I didn't get a chance to use the Icon, probably the same, it's the same formula, and those two, love it. I don't know if you guys can see it while on camera, but it's really nice. You need just a small amount of product and you can just really work it out very well. It's really pigmented, it's really shiny, and I think it's worth your money. Allure lashes are simply amazing. They're really, you know, like wispy and really lightweight, and the most important thing is that they're really easy to apply. You can find these products on Maxi Beauty if you live in Portugal, and I think currently they are on sale. These products with all the others that I used, I'm gonna list down below, okay, if you want to just try them out. And that's it, guys, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed a lot filming this video. I'm really sorry for the noise in the background. I would really like if you would, you know, just try this look out and recreate. As for the lockdown situation, I really hope that you are safe. I really hope that you're doing well. Please just stay home, and I really hope that soon enough we are gonna be, you know, out and with our friends and family. But by the time, please just be responsible. If you like this video, please press the like button, comment down below if you like this look, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Stay safe, and I'm gonna see you next Friday. Bye!